There's so many cheap RTX 3000 cards on the market right now. Almost too many. In fact, there's so many out there that Nvidia are apparently planning to delay the launch of RTX 4000 series graphics cards because of this. But like, how enough can that be a bad thing, right? Because we're still getting our super cheap discounted second-hand mining GPUs, not to mention the MSRP of new cards is also going down. So what exactly is the issue? Well, a product getting delayed is never great, even if there are so many great cards you can mine right now. The fact we have to wait longer for RTX 40 series graphics cards is a bit concerning, because while many people might be using this chance to get a highly discounted RTX 3080 or 3070 or whatever, many other people have been waiting for that RTX 40 series drop for a long time. Seeing how we are already literally months away from the end of this generation and the start of the next one. So many people don't want to get a graphics card that is on its way out already. Because while we don't know much about RTX 40 series cards so far based on new Nvidia Ada Lovelace architecture, while there will be at least some performance upgrade, right? Not to mention MSRP prices might be actually pretty decent, especially seeing how Nvidia also have to make them price competitive enough to combat the super cheap sea of cards that exists right now. Not only that, but whenever a new generation of GPUs launch, the previous generation of GPUs usually goes down in price by a lot. Not only because they aren't the cutting edge anymore, but also because many people may be flipping the old cards to be able to afford the new ones. So that in itself could also bring a huge drop in pricing to the already huge drop in pricing that's going on with RTX 30 series. So while right now is a great time for all us gamers who've been wanting to buy a brand new GPU, Nvidia and their partners are probably having a bit of a stressful period right now, because what exactly can they do now? And as someone who's been avoiding buying an RTX 30 series card this entire time because I just want to buy an RTX 40 series card instead, I can say that I'm pretty annoyed by this as well. So, you know, joke's on me trying to display some patience instead of just grabbing them while they're hot, I guess. Anyway, if this was a perfect world compared to this absolute hellhole we all live in, we would have had our super cheap RTX 30 series right about now, and also a non-delayed RTX 40 series. But I guess the lesser of two evils is to have a nice and cheap pool of RTX 30 series cards right now to choose from, and have the RTX 40 series delayed a bit. Even if, you know, we all have to wait a bit longer to get our hands for whatever Nvidia Ada Lovelace will offer. And it better offer a lot, because seeing how cheap graphics cards are now thanks to the crypto crash, I mean, Nvidia are going to have to do something really special in order for these cards to live up to the hype. Here's a suggestion, Nvidia. You remember that kind of waifu era of graphics cards? And you also realize that your new architecture has the name Lovelace in it. Yeah, you know what to do. But let me know what you think of all of this down in the comments below. And also, hey, while you're here, if you want to help me make more awesome videos in the future, then the best way to ensure that will happen is to support us on Patreon, because even just $1 single a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan LPB, Meg Sumner, June Allcraft Lensby, and Jesse Herdman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you also can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's all it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.